Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fulfill orders in Shopify automatically. First, go to Shopify and log in to your account. So just choose your account. Now, once inside the dashboard, go to Settings on the lower left corner. Click on it. Then, go to General tab. Here, scroll down until you're in the order processing section. Here you have the option to automatically fulfill the order's line items, so just toggle it on. Now you have the option to notify customers of their shipment or automatically fulfill all orders even if it's high risk and fraud. I'm just gonna choose on the first option. Once done, scroll down to the bottom and click on Save to apply the changes made. And that's it. Your orders are now fulfilled automatically in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.